Hey guys, so today is going to be a come shop with me in Wilko. At Wilko, I don't know, I think last year I didn't go into Wilko for Christmas, like decor, or like, seriously, I didn't shop for Christmas decor last year. But this year, oh yes. But this year I went in there and oh my goodness, they have such lovely things. And the price, you would just think it should be a bit more.
Acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup
did pick up some stuff in WILKO, but I'm not going to share it in this video. I just wanted to do this video so you guys know what's available right now for Christmas. I will bring you guys a Christmas decor haul this month, but it's going to be the last week of November because I want my Christmas decor to be up on the 1st of December. I'm doing so many like Christmas content right now. I don't know if you guys will probably get bored by the time it's like Christmas. You'll be like, oh my goodness, enough of the Christmas stuff. For some reason, every single year I just get even more and more excited about Christmas. And also the Beauty Mondays, the Budget Beauty Mondays videos, they're going to be back in December. Right now it's just there's so much stuff going on. I'm definitely going to be uploading videos every single week, but the Budget Beauty Monday videos, those videos are more specific and like I have to test out products and stuff. And like right now, this month of November, so much stuff is going on. I'm hopefully launching an Etsy store in December, so like handcrafted stuff that I make myself, because like, you know, I want to be a stay-at-home working mum. And yeah, so that stuff is going on. So I'm like, let me just calm down with certain things, because if this goes well, January 2020 I can be like working for myself from home. That was it for my come shop with me in WILKO. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I seriously enjoyed myself in there. Make sure you go down and grab yourself some Christmas decor bargains. They had such lovely things in there, things that light up. Oh, the cushion, the Santa cushion, don't you get the Santa cushion? It's so cute. The Merry Christmas doormat, so lovely. Just a number of things in there that were just really nice and just so affordable. Just endless loveliness. So seriously, head down to WILKO, amazing stuff. Or like go online. If you don't have time to go into store, go online. Don't go in a weekends though. Oh my goodness, the queues. Oh, the queues in WILKO when we during the weekend. Ghastly. Awful. I hope you guys enjoyed this come shop with me video and like a sort of like a life update of what's going on. See you guys next time. Bye.
Christmas Eve is coming soon.